Olive oil is a liquid fat obtained from olives, the fruit of olive tree, a traditional tree crop of the Mediterranean region. It's produced by pressing whole olives and extracting the oil. It is commonly used in cooking, for frying foods or as a salad dressing. Studies show that fatty acids and antioxidants in olive oil can offer some powerful health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil is considered to be the healthiest type of olive oil. It's extracted using natural methods, and standardized for purity and certain sensory qualities, like taste and smell. Olive oil that is truly extra virgin has a distinct taste, and is high in phenolic antioxidants, which is the main reason why it's so beneficial. Olive oil is high in healthy fats, which, studies suggest, reduce inflammation, and may even have beneficial effects on genes linked to cancer. The predominant fatty acid in olive oil is a monounsaturated fat called oleic acid, making up 73% of the total oil content. This makes extra virgin olive oil a healthy choice for cooking, as the monounsaturated fats are quite resistant to high heat. Olive oil is also packed with powerful antioxidants, which may reduce our risk of chronic diseases, as they help protect our blood cholesterol from oxidation and fight inflammation. Its strong anti-inflammatory properties are especially attributable to the antioxidant oleocanthal, which has been shown to work similarly to ibuprofen. Several studies investigated a link between olive oil consumption and stroke risk, and it's been confirmed that olive oil was the only source of monounsaturated fat associated with a reduced risk of stroke. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the key ingredients in Mediterranean diet, which has been linked to reduced risk of heart disease. It's been shown to lower blood pressure, one of the strongest risk factors for heart disease. It also benefits our heart by improving the function of blood vessels, preventing excessive blood clotting, and protecting bad cholesterol from oxidation. Furthermore, olive oil has been shown to have beneficial effects on blood sugar and insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes by over 40%. More research is needed to determine whether olive oil reduces our risk of cancer. However, test tube studies demonstrate that compounds in olive oil can fight cancer cells. Olive oil can also help reduce joint pain and swelling from rheumatoid arthritis. Extra virgin olive oil has antibacterial properties, and it's been found to be particularly effective against bacteria that cause stomach ulcers and stomach cancer. Olive oil is also known to hydrate your skin. It's effective against bacteria that causes acne, and it softens and strengthens our hair. It's likely to be one of the healthiest fats on the planet, so all of us should consider adding it to our diet. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.